Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox not launching and closes instantly in Microsoft Store. Let's fix it guys. In my case same problem. Let's fix that issue. You just need to right click on the start icon and select installed apps. In search apps you just need to search for Roblox. You just need to select the three dot icon next to the Roblox app. Select it and select advanced options. You just need to scroll down and select the repair option. The app data won't it be affected guys. If still having problem, then try resetting it. Click on reset and select reset. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If you're still having issue, then let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. If the repair and reset doesn't solve your problem, you can try uninstalling Roblox and reinstalling it in Microsoft Store again. Click on uninstall and select uninstall again. Uninstall this app and its settings. Your documents will not be affected guys. Close it off here and now you just need to go to search menu and type store. Click on open it, Microsoft Store. Search for Roblox. You just need to click on the Roblox and select the install option and install it. Now click on the play option and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.